up in Oklahoma first thing tomorrow morning. So a little bit of a wind chill. Temperatures lower 40s, wind chills in the mid to upper 30s tomorrow morning. So bundle up the kids. It's going to be a cool day. And as we head toward lunchtime, still cool. Temperatures getting in the mid 50s though. And with that sun, it's going to feel pretty nice, but still a north breeze throughout the day. We'll get rid of that breeze come Wednesday. And then as we head into drive time tomorrow evening, chilly conditions again after 6, dropping into the upper 40s, and then heading for the mid to upper 30s as we head into Wednesday morning. That's when we're probably going to see a frost, especially along and north of the I-10 corridor, maybe a few rural spots outside of there as well. And then Wednesday afternoon, lots of sunshine again, temperatures getting into the upper 50s. So fast forward, let's get into the European model. Let's get into the steak and potatoes here of the next weather system, and it's going to be developing by Friday afternoon across the Texas Hill Country, low pressure Mexico, South Texas, and then it's going to be moving northeastward with plenty of upper level support. So this is going to be a fairly large, what we call synoptic system. By the way, maybe some snow up by Oklahoma in this system with time, and then rain and storms moving in across Louisiana overnight Friday night into early Saturday. Again, timing subject to change, and then that system begins to move just east of the region come Saturday evening. The clouds stay locked in. We chill down again for Sunday, and then we'll clear out with cooler temperatures as we head into the middle part of next week. Looks pretty good again. And then the next weather system coming in next Thursday doesn't look nearly as strong, with the chance of showers and storms. So as we take a look at what the European model is indicating for rainfall with this system coming in Friday night, Saturday, a model going for a fair bit of red. That's pushing 3 inches of rain, so 2 to 4 inches of rain on the European model. Compare and contrast with the GFS model, and it says essentially the same thing. A good soaking, quite a distinct possibility. So we'll go with about 2 to 4 inches of rain potential for that weather system. Fortunately, it'll be moving pretty quickly, so we're not expecting any flood situations, but we'll have to keep an eye on those rain totals. Anything more than 2 to 4 in 2 to 4 hours is problematic at times. So tonight, tomorrow morning, we see temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, 38 Ville Platte, 35 at Alexandria. Lower 40s I-10 corridor looks pretty good, maybe up to 42. The model trend a little bit milder than what we were looking at earlier, and then low to mid 40s along the coast as well. Again, wind chills tomorrow morning, mid to upper 30s. Then tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 50s with wall-to-wall sunshine. Tomorrow night, that's the chilly one. This is where we're going to see temperatures getting at or below freezing from Ville Platte on northward. So certainly a frost across central Louisiana. More than likely, you will get a frost. If our winds are less than 4, you can get a frost with temperatures at 40 degrees because we measure temperature at 6 feet, and your grass temperature and the temperature of car surfaces and your rooftops will get down to about 32, and that's how frost forms. Warming back up into the upper 50s for Wednesday afternoon. So chilly night ahead, fair skies with that north breeze making it feel a little bit cooler. Lower 40s tonight, tomorrow. Nice day with lots of sunshine, breezy north winds making that 58 feel a little bit cooler, which by the way is 10 degrees cooler than today. We got up to 68 this afternoon. Upper 50s again on Wednesday. Here come the clouds Thursday. Rain chances maybe after dark, but we got a 50-50 chance before the sun sets on Friday, and then rain chances up to 90 to near 100% Friday night, Saturday morning early, Saturday afternoon maybe salvageable. We'll see. Clouds linger, cooler Sunday. Next week back to the nice and cool pattern.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Rob.